Hi students, Mr. Rivera here. So I am recording this video for week number 3. Guys, we're going to do basically what you were supposed to work with on week number 2, because I noticed that basically no one sent me videos. So I don't know what happened. So I just will explain you how this works, this activity that I posted works, okay? A couple of things, guys. I have been receiving videos of a few of you only. Guys, it's important that you are practicing. I am pretty sure that many of you are practicing, but I would like to see you practicing, and I would like to see how you are doing, okay? If you don't send me videos, I don't know what you are doing right or wrong. As students like Alexander have been doing, he have been sending me videos through the message area with the phone, and I have been giving him feedback. I did the same thing with Anya and other students that have been sending videos. But if you don't send me videos, I won't be able to give you feedback, and I won't be able to tell you, yes, this is great. Let's work on this, okay? It's gonna be important that you send me the videos. I don't know if someone needs this in Spanish, so I will just translate it really quick. Para los estudiantes de año 2, hola. Se supone que vamos a estar practicando la semana 3, pero vamos a estar haciendo lo mismo que se supone que hiciéramos en la semana 2, porque me di cuenta que muchos estudiantes no hicieron nada o no me enviaron videos de lo que se supone que hicieran. Entonces, por eso voy a estar explicándoles qué se supone que hicieran en la semana 2, ¿ok? Asegúrense de enviarme videos, por favor, porque de esa manera yo sé cómo van practicando y les puedo dar retroalimentación de si lo estás haciendo bien, vamos a trabajar en esto, vamos a hacer esto, ¿ok? So please make sure that you send me videos so that I can give you feedback. Por favor, que envíame videos para yo poder darte consejos de cómo seguir haciendo. So the activity that I sent, I will share it with you the paper, but before we do that, remember I posted a video on how to hold a bow. Make sure that you are holding the bow correctly. Asegúrate de que estás sosteniendo el arco correctamente, okay? Make sure that your thumb is bent like that, and make sure that your fingers are nicely in their place, like you saw there, okay? Another important thing, guys, make sure that you use the metronome. Make sure that you use the metronome that I posted on the website. You need the metronome. You need the metronome to follow the tempo. If you just play on any tempo, it's gonna be difficult to then come together as a whole orchestra and play. So that's why following the tempo is going to be very important. Every single time that you hear that click is when you need to play okay, that is going to be important. I will use it for the activity. Another important thing, guys, last week, well, the first week I shared with you a link to an activity that explain how to identify the notes, or basically it's an activity for you to identify the notes, either D, E, F, or G, F sharp or G. If you practice that on that website, this activity is gonna be pretty clear for you, because you know where those notes are already, okay? If you didn't do that, then you will need to go to week 1 so that you can practice with that assignment. Actually, I did a video of myself going through it so that you understand how it works. But basically, here is the activity. I believe this is the one. Yep, here it is. Let me make it bigger. So guys, we have a couple of steps in here. I'm pretty sure that you can see the paper. I will just go through the violin paper, but basically viola, cello, and bass, you are going to be doing the same thing. It's the same assignment. You just read a little bit different, okay? So this week we will focus on playing quarter notes and quarter rest, both equals 1 beat. The quarter note is equal 1 beat. The quarter rest is equal also 1 beat. You will notice that there is no quarter rest on this exercise right here. At this moment, I will make sure that I change it a little bit to add some quarter rest because I forgot to add those. But each measure will have 4 beats. As you can see, each measure has 4 beats. That's why we see 4 quarter notes in each measure. What is a measure? The space in between lines, like you see. How many measures do we have there? How many do we have there? Count. Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 measures, okay? And basically, we will focus on practicing reading notes or sounds, or the notes that we are going to play are D, E, F sharp, and G. Those are the 4 notes that we practice the first week with the link that I send you doing the challenge of identifying the notes. So basically, that's how this exercise works. Basically, we have 4 steps that we are going to follow right now to do this activity. First, we will clap and count. Clap and count is gonna help us to stick with the tempo. I will turn on the metronome and I will clap and count that. I will count and clap only the first line, okay? So that we can go quick through this. That's the metronome there. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, guys, that's what you need to do for step number 1. Step number 2, second, you will clap and sing the notes, the letters. So I want you to clap and sing the letters this time instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? How it goes? 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, F, F, E, 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 E. I am not doing the whole exercise. I am just doing the first line so that you understand how and what you should be doing. Then step number 3, we are going to plug. We are going to do the pizzicato and we are going to sing the notes again. Remember, this is something that we did a long time ago. We create the C, we put the thumb on the edge right here of the violin or the viola or the cello or the bass, and you just plug the string with the index finger. Remember, these 3 fingers should be closed like that. And how it's gonna be, following the metronome, I will play only the first line. It's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, F, F, E, 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 E. And you need to keep going with the second line because you need to put everything together, okay? Then after step number 3, fourth, we are gonna use the bow to do the exercise like it's there. I will do it really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple, right? That's just the first line of this activity. Then you just need to also do the second line. You will do it all together, but there is something that I have been explaining to you that is going to help you to read these and to put these together a little bit better. For me, it was a little bit easy because I know the notes already, but for you, it might be a little bit more difficult to identify still the notes and play. So what I need you to do is this. Just take measure 1 and measure 2. Make sure that you know which are those notes. D, D, E, E, D, 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 D. Stop there. Since you did step number 1, step number 2 already, we are going to do the pluck, the plucking, those 2 measures only, just those 2 measures. D, D, E, E, D, 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 D. When you know that you can plug that, singing the notes and plugging, then just go to playing it. Using the metronome, don't forget, I stopped the metronome, but the metronome is going to be very important. So you do it with the metronome now. B. Using the metronome is going to be very crucial because that way you are going to be doing it on the same tempo. And even though, let's pick 2 names, even though Chelsea is at her house, Alexander is at his house, I don't know, Brianna is at her house, Jorel, Janice, even though each one of you are in different places, if you follow the tempo, if I bring you all together, you will be doing it correctly because everyone was following the same tempo, okay? That's why using the metronome is very important. Basically, guys, that's what you need to do for this week. Week number 3, I would like you to review this because I didn't see any videos of anyone doing this. So I'm assuming that you didn't know how to do it, okay? So this won't take you too long. Make sure that you do it every single day. This is good, guys, because it's going to help us to start working on reading the notes like they are right here in the paper, okay? Then right here on the bottom, you will see activity for Friday. Basically, this is an activity that I want you to do. Create your own quarter notes and quarter rest using the notes D, E, F, and G and perform it. Basically, you have 4 measures there, and I would like you to create the pattern that you would like to create. G, F, D, E, whatever. Remember, we need 4 quarter notes on each measure, and you will create it the way that you would like, and you will make sure that you know how to play it. Basically, that's the activity that you need to do, okay? That is it for week 3, guys. Please practice this. This wasn't supposed to be the week 3 because I had something different with the other 4 notes that we need to work, but I want to make sure that you can do this before we move forward with the other part. So please send me videos to know your progress playing this, okay? So this is it for this week. I hope you do well, guys. Please send me videos so that I can give you feedback on how to play, okay? I will see you later. Bye-bye.